Namaskar everyone. Thank you for joining in. Let's start our day with today's yoga practice. To start with, just sit in any comfortable position. In whatever position you are comfortable, ensure your back and neck must be straight. Roll up your shoulder and just relax them. Place your palms in Gyan Mudra on your knees. Keep taking natural breathings. Close your eyes slowly and gently. With each inhalation, make yourself ready for today's yoga practice mentally and physically. Exhale and relax yourself. Inhale, exhale. If any thoughts and worries are coming into your mind, let it go out through exhalation. Inhale. With closed eyes, scan your body, see your body parts, and take a note mentally how you are feeling right now. Exhale and relax yourself. Inhale. Make an intention that during the entire practice, I'll be aware about my body movements, my posture, and my breathing. Make that intention. Exhale and relax yourself. Inhale, exhale. We'll start with 3 Om chantings and Gayatri Mantra. Inhale, take a deep breath. Inhale. Inhale. We'll start with Gayatri Mantra. Inhale. Om Bhurvaswaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Namah Prachodaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Bring your both the palms together in front of your face. While looking at your palms, open your eyes slowly and gently. Today we'll conduct the spinal twisting exercises. Spinal twisting exercise is very helpful to strengthen our spine muscles because spine is the most important part of our body. If our spine is not healthy, then we will not feel healthy. So we'll perform today asanas for the spinal twisting, strengthening spine muscles, and if spine will get muscle, our entire body will get feel good. So just to start with, get ready yourself. I request everyone to switch on their videos as I can't see many of them. So we start with the spinal twisting exercise. Breathing, spinal twisting breathing. In spinal twisting breathing, you can sit in comfortable position in whichever position you are comfortable. Okay, have a look how to perform. We'll bring your palms in line with the shoulder. Here are your shoulders, so your palms must be above the chest and in line with the shoulder. The palms, forearms must be parallel to floor. They should not be bent like this. It should be parallel to floor. Your fingertips are touching. Your middle fingertips are touching to each other. Then exhale and turn your right. Center, inhale and turn your left. Okay, like this. So let's start together. Sit in comfortable position. Bring your palms parallel to in line with your shoulder, parallel to floor. Fingertips are touching to each other. Your palms must be not here. Keep here in line with your shoulders. Very nice. Very nice. Now inhale. Exhale. Turn right. Inhale. Center. Exhale. Left. Inhale. Center. Exhale. Right. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Center, left. Let's continue this exercise. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Exhale. While bending forward, bending at left or right, your eyesight must be on your right elbow or the left elbow. Okay, will not look straight like this. Your sight must be on your right or left elbow. Inhale. Center. Inhale would be in center. Exhale, right. Exhale, right. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Now we'll hold this exercise for 30 seconds. Inhale in center. Exhale in right. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Hold the position. Your normal breathing can continue. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You should feel the twist in your spine. So give pressure that much. Look at your right elbow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and relax. Now from here we'll go to the left side. Twist to left side. Exhale. Natural breathing will continue. Hold for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at your left elbow. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. 1, 2. Bring your palms above your chest. Parallel to shoulder line. 1, 2. Look at your hand posture and bring them up to next to chest level. Above chest level, next to shoulders. Very nice. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. 5 seconds more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and relax. Now from here we'll go for the dynamic Kati Chakrasana. And that asana, you have to place your right palm at your left shoulder and your left hand behind the back. So like this, 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to do in space. While inhalation and exhalation, ensure while you are twisting, it will be exhalation. While coming to center, it will be inhalation. We'll start with 30 dynamic rounds. So let's start. Every can perform this asana. If anyone is not comfortable in dynamic, they can do in slow motion as per their comfort. So let's start. Place your left palm on your right palm on your left shoulder and your left hand forearm behind the back. 1, move to left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very nice. Keep doing it. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. Now from here we'll start the asana series. We'll perform the Ardha Matsyendra asana. In this asana, you'd be sitting like if you are sitting in Vajrasana position. So in this asana, from here, you'll place or you can sit in this posture also. Bend your knees, and then hold your left ankle and place it to your right buttock. Place to near to your right buttock. You should not sit on your right heel. Just place it next to your right buttock. Then hold your right foot and place it to next to your knee. Left knee, outer side of the knee. Your toes and knee must be in line like this. They must be in line. Now from here, raise your left arm and place it to give a pressure to your right knee. Your hand must be in Gyan Mudra and your right hand behind the back. Fingers must be well spreaded. Okay, like this. And look at your right shoulder. If anyone is uncomfortable to do, they can see the variation. Place as much as you can do. Do not need to force yourself. Place as much as you can do. Give pressure to your right elbow like this. And if anyone having the peptic ulcer or the hernia kind of issue, I request them not to perform this asana. If anyone having severe back issue, just do slowly and gradually. If in between you feel pain, just drop the asana there only. So let's start together. You can sit in Dandasana position like this, fixed together, palms beside the buttock. Very nice. Now bend your both the legs. Hold your left leg and place it to near to right buttock. Place your right foot just next to your left knee. Very nice. Check your alignment. Your toes and knees must be in line. Now give pressure to your right knee to the left side with help of your left elbow. Your left hand must be in Gyan Mudra. Place your right palm beside the buttock. Look at your right shoulder. Pelvic area must be tucked in. Breathing from chest will continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You should feel the squeezeness in your spine. If you are not feeling, then somewhere we are doing wrong. So feel the complete twisting in your spine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. We'll do it from opposite leg. Now bring your right leg to near your left buttock. Place your left foot near to your right knee. Very nice. Right. Ensure your right knee and toes must be in line. Now place your left palm beside your buttock. Place your right elbow next to your left knee and press it to the right side. Look at your left elbow, left shoulder. Hold this posture for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Start with the self counting. The people just look. Your elbow should give the pressure to the opposite side. So you have to press your elbow outer side of the knee like this. From the outer side, not you don't have to keep your elbow on knee, just to the opposite side and give pressure to the opposite side. Very nice. 10 seconds more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and relax. Take 3 natural breathing and take a look for the next asana. Now we'll perform the Gatyatmak Meru Vakrasan. In this asana, we'll spread our feet as much as you can do, and your back must be straight. Have a look how to do this. Then spread your hands. 1 second. Okay, see like this. Now raise your hands like this. They should be in line only whenever you will move further. Bandwidth, forward banding like this. So they must be in line only. So let's start together. Sit in a comfortable position and from there spread your legs as much as you can do. Spread your hands, raise your arms. Then from opposite hand and opposite leg, try to touch your left leg from your right hand like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very nice. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If anyone is unable to touch your toes, so no worries, do slowly and gently like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. If anyone having the severe back issue, they are requested to do as per the comfort. Do not strain yourself. 10 rounds more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and relax. Take 3 natural breathings and get ready for next asana. Now we'll perform the Meru Vakrasan. You just have a look how to perform this and together we'll do it. In the Meru Vakrasana asana, we are sitting in this posture. In Dandasana position, your both the feet are together, your back is straight and your palms are just behind the back. Now from here, we'll place our both the hands. One hand is already there. Place your right palm also here, just next to your left buttock. Your both the hands must be straight. You can bring further your left hand back behind and then twist. Look at your the left elbow, left shoulder. Hold this posture. While pressing this, your feet must be straight only. They must be active. They should not be bent like this or up like this. They should be in comfortable position only. Feel a twist in your spine. Okay, let's start together. You are sitting in this posture. Now place your both the hands, your Right palm must be next to your left buttock. Very nice. Now look at your left shoulder. Hold this posture. Your breathing would be normal, pelvic area tucked in, and chest breathing will continue. Hold this posture for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, very nice. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. While moving your hand, it should be touching to the floor. If you are unable to touch, you can make a cup, but ensure that this hand must be straight. It should not be bended like this. Hold for 10 seconds more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 seconds more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. While repeat same from the right side. Your feet must be together. Place your both the hands at right side. Your left palm must be next to your right buttock. Hold this posture for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look at the right shoulder. 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. Take 3 natural breathings and then we'll go for the next asana. And next asana will perform the Bhu Namaskara. In this asana, have a look how to perform this asana. The posture would be same the earlier the way we perform. What we have to do, just have a look. From here, we'll just try to touch the floor with our forehead. While doing this asana, ensure your feet must be together. They should not get separated. They must be together. Like this, okay? We'll hold this posture for 30 seconds. Anyone can perform this asana except if anyone having this severe cervical issue, they are requested not to perform. Otherwise, remaining people can do carefully. Do not strain yourself. So let's start together. You are sitting in this posture. Bring your both the hands to the left side. Now from here, bend forward. Try to touch your head. Try to touch floor with your head. Very nice. Hold this posture for 30 seconds. 1, 2. If you are unable to do, if someone is unable to do, they just bring in both the palms and twist, bend as much as they can. Not necessary to touch the head, just bend as much as they can do. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. We'll repeat same from the right side. Now bring your both the palms to the right side. Try to touch floor with your crown. Very nice. 1. If you are unable to touch the floor, ensure your feet must be together and bend as much as you can do. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 seconds more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and relax. Very nice. Take 3 natural breathings. Now from here, take a look for the next asana. In this asana, we'll lie down on your yoga mats on your stomach. You can sit and see. Then together we'll perform this asana. You all would have heard about the Bhujangasana. So this is the Bhujangasana, however with the twist. So we'll place our palms just next to our chest area. Feet are together, toes are flattened on floor. This is the Triatak Bhujangasana. In this asana, we'll inhale and rise our torso as much as we can do. And now from here, we'll look at the left side and we'll try to look our heels, left heel. Okay, and we'll hold this posture for 30 seconds. Before holding, we'll do 20 rounds dynamic and then we'll perform together. So let's start with lie down on your yoga mats on your stomach. Very nice. Place your both the palms just next to your chest area. Your head is touching to the floor. Your feet must be flattened on floor. Pelvic area tucked in. Normal breathing will continue. Inhale. Rise your body from torso. Wherever you are comfortable, if you are comfortable in this posture, hold there. You should not strain yourself, just wherever you are comfortable, hold there. And from there, look at your left heel. Try to look at your left heel. 1, then right heel. 2, 3, very nice. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. 1, 2, 3. You have to move your neck left to right. 5, 6. Very nice. 7, 8, 9, 10 and relax. Now from here, we'll hold this posture for 30 seconds to the left side. So before starting, you can comfortable yourself. Start with the posture. Inhale and rise your upper body. Your feet must be together and look at the left side. Hold this posture for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You need to try to look at your left heel. 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and relax. Now from here we look at the left heel. Inhale, rise your upper body and look at your left heel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very nice. 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pelvic area must be tucked in. Breathing from chest will continue. 1, 2, 3, 4. Your both the feet must be together. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and relax. Take 3 natural breathings. Normalize your breathing system. Now from here, you can rest in Makrasana Asana and have a look for the next asana. You have to lie down on your back. Feet must be together. So we'll start with the Ashwasana. Your palms just next to your body. Your head, stomach, feet, knees must be in line. From here, bend your both the legs from knees. Spread your hands as much as you can. Now from here, bend your feet to the left side. While bending your feet to the left side, ensure your thigh is touching to the floor and your other leg, upper leg is touching to the, both the legs are touching to the each other. Okay. Your hand must be, your palms, entire hand, both the hands must be touching to the floor, and try to touch your chin to your right shoulder, and your side must be on your fingers. So let's start together. You are lying on your yoga mat on your back. From here, bend your both the legs from knee. Spread your hands, stretch your hands. Fingers must be well spreaded, touching to the floor. Now from here, move your legs, bend your feet to the left side. While bending to the left side, ensure your both the feet are together, both the legs are together, your knees are touching to the floor. Try to touch your chin to your right shoulder and look at the fingers of your right palm. Hold this posture for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 seconds more. Very nice. Keep doing it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. Now we'll repeat same from the right side. Ensure, have a look while bending to the right side or the left side. Ensure this gap should not be there. This, your both the knees to be and both the feet to be touching to each other. The palms must be on floor only. So ensure that thing, it should not be risen up or the bend like this. It should be on floor, especially your feet, because many of the feet are going like this or they are not touching to the floor. They both must be together and touching to the floor. So let's start for the right side. Bend your legs to the right side. Try to touch your chin to your left shoulder with left shoulder and look at the left side fingers. Hold this posture for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very nice. 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. 1, 2. Your palms must be touching to the floor. Fingers must be well spreaded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. Now we'll perform this Shubh-Tudarkasana. In this asana, the posture would be same only. Again, we'll bend our both the legs from knees. Both the feet are touching to each other. We'll interlock our fingers and place it below our head, and we'll rest on our elbow. Our head must be resting on our palm. Both the elbows are touching to the floor. Now from here we bend to the right side and drop your neck to the left side, neck and head to the left side, and look at the left elbow. While performing this asana, just try to feel the difference in the previous asana, asvasana, and in this asana. What difference you find in both the asanas? Just make a note mentally, and then you can send in the group also that what was the difference between these asanas. So let's start together. Bend your both the legs from knees. Interlock your fingers. Place it below the head. Rest on your palms. Your head must be resting on your palms. Both the elbows are touching to the floor. Both the legs are together. They are touching each other. Then bend to the right side. Bend your feet to the right side. Ensure your knees or thighs are touching to the floor, and the above leg is just touching to the other leg also. Now from here, drop your neck and head to the left side. Look at, hold this position for 30 seconds. Pelvic area can be tucked in, chest breathing can continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. 1. Your elbows must be touching to the floor. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. Now from here we'll move to the left side. Bend your both the legs from knees. Interlock your fingers. Two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, 10, and relax. Take 3 natural breathings. Turn to your right side after taking 3 natural breathings. 1 natural breathing at your right side. And then take a help of your left hand support and sit on your yoga mat. Now from here we'll start with the pranayama. For pranayama, sit in any comfortable position. Today we'll practice the chest breathing. In the chest breathing, just have a look at how to perform the chest breathing. It is same like the abdominal breathing. The difference between chest and abdominal breathing, the chest breathing we take from the chest, and abdominal breathing we were feeling at our stomach. So in the chest breathing, whenever we do inhalation, so you should get that feeling that your entire rib cage is filled with the air. So you need to feel that thing and do the inhalation like the same manner only. Deep inhalation. Inhale and feel that your entire your lungs and rib cage are filled with the air. Exhale and empty your lungs and rib cage. So let's start together. To feel the posture, you can place your right palm on your chest. Otherwise, you can place your both the arms in your Gyan Mudra also. So we are starting. You can place your hand wherever you are comfortable. Your left palm must be in Gyan Mudra and right palm on chest or on knee only in Gyan Mudra. Close your eyes slowly and gently. Be aware about your breathing. Sense the breathing, that while inhalation, how it is processing, and while exhalation, how it is processing. Just feel the movement of breathing. Inhale, your chest must be expanded. Exhale and relax. Inhale, feel that breathe. The air is reach to your lungs. Your lungs and ribs cage are filled with the breathing, with air. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. While inhalation and exhalation, just feel the rhythm of your breathing. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now we'll hold our breathing for 5 seconds. Inhale. Hold your breathing for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. Hold for 5 seconds. Count mentally. While holding, just feel the breathing. Be aware about your breathing. Exhale. Hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. Hold your breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Inhale and hold for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale. Hold for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale. Hold for 10 seconds. Count mentally. Exhale. Hold for 10 seconds and count mentally. Inhale. Exhale. Normal breathing will continue. Keep taking natural breathings. With each inhalation, feel the positive effect of today's yoga practice in your body, especially on your spine. If during the practice you felt any kind of pain, let it go out through exhalation. Inhale. With closed eyes, feel the difference before starting the asana and after ending the asana. Observe both the differences in your body. Exhale and relax yourself. Inhale, exhale. With Om chanting and closing prayer, we'll end our session. Take a deep breath. Inhale. 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 May all human beings rest in peace. They keep loving each other, keep spreading love among everyone. There would be no worries, no disabilities. With this intention, we'll do Shanti Path. Inhale. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Rub your both the palms. Place it on your eyes, on your face. While looking at beneath your palms, open your eyes slowly and gently. Thank you. Shukriya. Have a beautiful day ahead. आपका दिन मंगलमय रहे.